Are you a desktop-first music user? If you're trying to move your playlist from Spotify to YouTube Music on your PC, you've probably discovered that YouTube Music doesn't offer a built-in way to import playlists directly from Spotify. Fortunately, there's a much easier solution. Playlist Go is a desktop-based playlist transfer tool designed to help users move playlists between music streaming platforms quickly and easily. It's especially useful for desktop users and beginners who want a straightforward migration process without dealing with complicated settings or manual work. Here's how it works. Download and install Playlist Go on your computer. Sign into your Spotify and YouTube Music account securely within the application. Choose Spotify from the left panel. Playlist Go will automatically scan and display your Spotify playlists. Then choose the playlist you want to transfer, whether it's a single playlist or your entire collection. Now select YouTube Music as the destination platform. Click Transfer. Playlist Go will automatically search for matching tracks on YouTube Music, and you will see the result. You can see which songs have been successfully matched. After that, click Transfer and it will begin transferring them for you. And that's it. Now you can see the transferred playlist on your YouTube Music. Since Playlist Go runs directly on your computer, no cloud upload is required. Your playlist data stays on your device throughout the migration process, making it a 100% local and private solution. And compared with browser-based tools, desktop solutions like Playlist Go are designed to make the process smoother and more controlled, especially for large playlists. So if you're planning to switch from Spotify to YouTube Music on PC, this is one of the easiest ways to bring your playlist with you.